Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are doing an unboxing of the Fab Fit Fun spring box, as well as giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. Let me set this down. It's a heavy box. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of February. It is the ColourPop Cabana Club palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. So, giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this Fab Fit Fun giveaway. And then there's a Google form at the end, and we'll kind of get into all of that later. I love Fab Fit Fun. It's the longest subscription box that I've had. It is a $49 seasonal subscription. It's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare. It's good for you. It's healthy type items to help you live your fullest life. I do have a code for FabFitFun. It'll save you a little bit of money off your first box. If you are interested in that, I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. It helps you out and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. I did do an add-on from this box. I picked up one of their mystery bundles, and we'll be have a separate video for that up shortly. I love how cute this box is with this just screams summer, spring to me. Love it. They did send some cute little stickers. I love putting those in like giveaways. There is a magazine, talks about the products in here. It's a fun, cute little magazine. There's HelloFresh, 17 free meals if you start up with them. And then also a percentage off of Bright Sellers if you sign up with them as well. This first item in here has a little heft to it. It is from Christoph Robin. Now it does retail for $69. It is their regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. I've got my notes kind of on my phone that talks about everything. So this incredible mask has selected natural ingredients that complement one another, resulting in deep and lasting rejuvenation. It's concentrated in a prickly pear oil, a precious natural remedy that has one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants, moisturizers, and repairing agents, or any plant substance. While plant ceramides deeply restructure hair to make it stronger and shinier, it is great for all hair types, especially dry and damaged hair. I know my hair is very, very dry, so looking forward to this one. I'm so excited about this. So this is the Pharmacy Honey Halo. It is their Halo Moisturizer. It's valued at $45. It is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, de-stressed skin with lasting hydration. It also helps visibly plump the skin and improve the look of fine lines. It is great for a dry, I cannot say this word today. I've tried 4 different times to say this. De-stressed skin. I do love, it comes with a spatula, and I do love that it has a magnetic here on the lid so that way you don't lose it. One of the things I really do like about Pharmacy is that they're paraben-free, formaldehyde, donor-free, synthetic, fragrance-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, and they are cruelty-free. So I am kind of excited about this next one. It is from Kate Spade, and they are these mini small square Opal glitter earrings. They do retail for $32. My birthday is in October. The birthstone is Opal, so that's kind of what made me real. And then plus they're really, really sparkly and pretty. So it says that they're stunning small square studs with gold-plated prongs and backing. These sparkling studs feature opalescent sparkle and shine. It does come with a little Kate Spade dust bag. They are made from faceted resin, gold-plated metal, and titanium post. I do like that. That has the titanium post. So otherwise, a lot of times, if they're not that or sterling, my ears hurt after wearing them for just a little bit. And so I'm really, really excited that they aren't that, and I can wear them. Woo! I will say that when I was making my choices, and I was right on there because I'm an annual member, so I get to be one of the first ones to pick, but some of the items that I wanted were sold out, and I was on there right at the time that they opened, and I was just like, so that part was a little bit frustrating. We'll talk a little bit more about that when it gets to the choice item that I really wanted that couldn't right away. So I did really want this. This is the It's a 10 Leave-In Coily, basically conditioner. It does retail for $25. And 10 out of 10 would recommend this hair care choice. This leave-in will leave your curls. I do have natural curly hair. It's just kind of all pulled back right now. Smooth and frizz-free, lets your hair dry with maximum shine and definition. Great for curly and coily hair. It is cruelty-free. Love. Love it. Can't wait to try this one. From Earth Harbor is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. It does retail for $40. It is a powerful, fast-acting AHA/BHA gel mask that naturally resurfaces coils and firms the skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity and improve skin texture and tone and a more youthful glow. It is good for redness and acne-prone skin. I don't really have either one of those. It is vegan, cruelty-free. And so love that. So I'll probably either put that in today's giveaway or a future one. Now this last item in here was the ones that I wanted, one of the Hourglass blushes. They sold out super, super fast. And that's what I would have picked. But instead, I am happy with what I got. I did pick up the Ernie Lazo and Larkin Ives bundle. They do retail together for $68. Now the Ernie Lazo See Me Deep Cleansing Bar. It is iconic cleansing bar boost that uniquely therapeutically benefits Dead Sea mud and a miracle of nature loaded with mineral to deeply detoxify, exfoliate, and balance the skin. It's perfect for a blemished, oil, or stressed out complexion. And that's, you know what else it's really, really good for? You want to clean your makeup brushes? Amazing at that. And then the other one, our Larkin Ives Hair Scarf Bundle. It is super soft. Scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, or you can tie them onto your handbag as an accessory. So there are two scarves here. They are 20 by 20 each. This is kind of just a cream one, folded in half here. You do have this really cute kind of pink one here. And it does come with like a little dust cover. It is a pretty good box. I do wish that I would have been able to choose a couple of other items that I didn't get to, but that's okay. So let's give away that Larkin Ives scarf bundle. I just don't really wear anything like that, and I'd rather give that away to somebody else who can get more use out of it. Secret word is scarf. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. That'll give you 1 bonus entry. If you follow me over on Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. That'll give you another extra entry. And then if you share this video, that'll give you another extra entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries there. And so only fill out the form once. You can mark on the form if you did do those bonus entries. If you did do so, make sure that you do, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. It is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through March 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on March 16th, we'll do a video where we announce all of the prior winners for the prior month. What I do is I take your first name, first initial of your last name, and if you have bonus entries, put that into my computer. Computer kind of spins around all the names. Everybody sees it. The computer picks the winner. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.